Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a play button on Scratch. I'm doing this because all of the videos are outdated, so this is a very new dated one, unless you're watching in 2030. Alright, let's just get on with this video and make sure to like and subscribe. So first thing you want to do is, I guess, open an untitled game, I guess, and click Paint Sprite. Now you have a new sprite, but you can paint it. So this is going to be our button. So click on the square icon and then make like a reasonable like button size type thing, I guess. I don't know how to call it. And I think you want to fill it in green. It's a quite lime, but whatever. And then put start on it, and then you click that, and then fill. You can obviously make it bigger and bolder. You can change the text if you want, but this is going to be really, sorry I burped, it's going to be really simple today, so I'm not going to do any classy font. You can do it after this tutorial. So yeah, we got that done, that's our sprite. Now we need to code it, and the coding is very simple. So you'll do when this green flag is clicked, show, and then what you want to do is go on to when the sprite is clicked, hide, oh, oopsie, hide, hide broadcast, I guess, start new message. So that's, I think, how you do it. Yep, that's how you do it there. That's really simple. That's all you have to do. And maybe if you want, we can add maybe a quit one. So it's kind of the same thing. All you just gotta do is you gotta do the same thing basically. Yep. So, oh damn it, it's gonna be annoying now. So, how do I move that? Okay, whatever. I'm just going to put like a quit button down here. I'm going to make a quit button. So I want to put quit, then fill it in maybe black, and then it's not. It might not be so neat, but whatever. And basically, it's just the same coding. So that, and then we want to do show. Where's show? Oh, there it is. When right click, so show, and then what you want to do is you want to go on to when the sprite is clicked, and then you want to do hide, and then basically, so hide and then broadcast start. Well, actually, maybe like broadcast. Actually, no, not start. Don't broadcast start. Make a new message called quit. And then make it say stop all, because when you quit you want everything to stop. So yeah, let's just see if it works. So there you go. So that's how you do it basically. I think if you want to, we can test it out. So if you want, we could do like when the sprite is clicked, play, say hello for 2 seconds, yeah? What you want to do there, quit, and it stops it completely. So that's how you do it. It's extremely simple to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this really quick tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Scratch tutorials, I guess, or just videos in general. See you guys, bye bye.